since I turned the video camera on. Oh! 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 Hey, roll tide, baby! Roll tide, roll, baby! It is Wednesday, May 30th. We are wrapping up one of the best months we've ever had. Our guys are busy pumping out between 10 and 12 trucks a day. We're actually expanding into another part of the building because we've gotten so busy that we need more room to get everything done. And our designers are finalizing tools for the 2019 Ram truck. Let's go check in with them and see how things are going. Final SCA Ram pocket style fender flare is what's on the CNC machine right now, which means that the other 3 flares have already been cut. Cutting out a fender flare involves 2 processes. The first is called roughing, where a coarse tool creates the general shape of the flare itself. The second process, which we call finishing, uses a finer tool to etch in all the details and get us one step closer to the finished product. That thing is loud. Y'all just kick back and watch this for a few seconds. It's a real thing of beauty. In total, the entire CNC process takes about 40 hours to complete. While this 4th tool is on the CNC, our designers are getting the other 3 tools ready for test pull, and I'm about to give y'all a behind the scenes look of the very first test pull and test fit of the 2019 SCA Ram fender flares. Y'all say hey to David. He is our newest industrial designer? Yeah. Industrial designer for the SCA team. How you feeling about it?
Man, I'm feeling good. We're making magic happen.
This guy. You're a natural on camera. All right, we're gonna go up here, check on Dave, see if the thermoformer's ready for the test pull. When are you gonna be doing test pulls for the Ram flares downstairs?
Now, I'm ready for it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I've been waiting on them all day.
Yeah. I'll go see if they're ready.
All right.
Sweet. Hey, Dave said he is ready now. If you guys are.
Okay. Yeah, put a few bolts on it, flip it, and it'll be good to go.
Okay.
How about you make yourself useful and go get a forklift?
Are you bringing that to me?
Yes, sir.
Oh! Oop, wrong direction. There we go. Brakes on. Since I don't want to destroy anything, I'm actually going to let Captain Dave take over the forklift operations to maneuver through all this stuff they got going on in here. Dave is calibrating the machine to make sure that the tool is in the correct place, setting the temperature and the cook time to make sure that we achieve proper elasticity for the thickness of plastic that we're using to pull these fender flares. Woo! Mouthful. Test pulling now. Dave, first glance, how do you think that test pull looks?
It's amazing. Amazing.
You're not lying, are you? pretty.
No.
All right.
It was pretty.
All right. Moment of truth. We're gonna go test fit this ram flare. Right now they're testing the gap spacing. Oh God, very humid out here. Glasses were fogging up on me. They're testing gap spacing to make sure that it's consistent all the way across the flare where it meets the body. There are a few inconsistencies, but that's why we test things. So tomorrow, the mold will go through a refinement process and then another test pull, followed by another test fit until we're satisfied with the finished product. You want to weigh in with your professional opinion on how this round of test fitting went?
It went exactly as I expected it to go.
I don't see anything that's super far off. So all we need to do is locate the bone holes first, and get it properly mounted, then start taking measurements.
You designed this?
Oh yeah, first time's the charm, right?
I'm impressed, man. We might keep you around, but I guess that's Michael's decision.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is he a keeper?